Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in Tennessee. This is important because if the title isn't signed and filled out correctly, the transfer can get rejected and the seller could still be tied to the vehicle on paper. So start by checking the title from any lane. If the car was previously financed, you'll need a notice of discharge of lien before anything can move forward. If that lien release isn't available, the transfer usually won't be processed. And then after that, go straight to the title and complete the transfer section. Write it in the odometer reading, the sale price, and the date the vehicle is being sold or given away. The seller should print their name, sign it, and add their address. Then the buyer prints and signs their name as well. Use blue or black ink. Write neatly and avoid errors because even small mistakes can cause delays. Next, gather any extra paperwork that may apply to your situation. You might need a bill of sale, proof of insurance, and a odometer disclosure statement. If the plates are being transferred, a copy of the current registration may be required, and some counties also ask for emissions testing proof. And if the vehicle is a gift instead of a sale, you'll likely need an affidavit of non-dealer transfer. So once everything is ready, the buyer takes the document to the county clerk's office to apply for the title in their name. So Tennessee fees are simple. The title transfer fee is $12. Standard plates cost $26.50, and there's 7% state sales tax plus a small local tax that depends on the county. So some transfers like gifts or transfers between close family members may be tax exempt. So it is smart to check your county clerk's website first since requirements can vary. Okay, that's all today, and thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.